Hi everyone, welcome back to Social Nerd. I'm back with yet another tutorial video, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to delete your Grindr account. For that, first of all, open up your Grindr app on your phone. After you open up your app, be sure that you're logged in to your account. Then tap on your profile icon, which is on top left of your screen. There at the bottom you'll see a settings option. Go to settings. Under account section, there you'll see the option of deactivate. Tap on it. Then select delete account, which is at the bottom of your screen. Now select the reason why you want to delete your account. A pop-up message will appear on your screen asking if you'd like to back up all your data. If yes, tap on backup now. If not, tap on no thanks. If you're sure you want to delete your account, tap on delete. To verify your account, enter your email address that is linked to your account. After that, tap on delete profile. A pop-up message will appear on your screen. To confirm you want to delete account, tap on delete account. This way you can delete your Grindr account. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more tutorial videos, hit the subscribe button, and if you have something to say, please leave a comment.